Good morning. Today's pre-market news. August is behind us and thank God it ended with a bang after whimpering around most days of the month. We are into the September series and September will be on every investor's mind. Situation in Syria remains under watch by investors. Prime Minister David Cameron said that Britain would not participate militarily in any strike against Syria as the UK Parliament voted against the same. We have the GDP numbers which will be announced after market hours today, which will give some more reason perhaps for pessimism to rise even further given the prolonged slowdown. The outlook is a flat start. The rupee, which recovered smartly on Thursday, will continue to keep investors on tenterhooks. Speculation on the GDP numbers could cause the indices to taper towards close. Around noon, the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh will make a statement in Parliament on the state of economy and touch on the rupee's sharp swing against the dollar. Petroleum Minister M. Veerappa Moily met Finance Minister P. Chidambaram to discuss possible solutions including rupees 3 to 4 per litre hike in diesel prices and cut in duties. Rural Electrification Corporation is planning to raise rupees 50 billion through issue of tax-free bonds. The issue opens on August 30th and closes on September 23rd, says a report. The Lok Sabha has debated and passed two landmark laws, the Food Bill and an updated version of the 19th century legislation governing land acquisition. The Right to Fair Compensation and Transparency in Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement Bill 2012 seeks to give a fair deal to farmers losing their land, especially multi-crop land, to industrial needs. But industry complained the law would push cost and time frame for setting up new enterprises. The Dow added 0.11%. The Nasdaq notched up 0.75%. Asian stocks are mixed. Japan's Nikkei is down 0.5%, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index is marginally up. South Korea's Kospi Index and China's Shanghai Index have gained approximately 0.5%. Brent crude prices fell 1% to $113.97 a barrel. In US, the nation's second quarter gross domestic product grew at 2.5% annualized pace according to a revised estimate from the Bureau of Economic Analysis. Jobless claims fell last week to 331,000. While Brazil's central bank on Wednesday raised its key lending rate by a 0.5 percentage point to curb worrisome inflation despite parallel concerns over the pace of economic growth. In a widely expected move, the central bank's Monetary Policy Committee voted unanimously to raise the Selic interest rate to 9% from the previous 8.5%, the fourth increase since April. A radical but a seemingly effective idea to curb gold imports by RBI might see the light of the day shortly. India is considering a plan to direct commercial banks to buy gold from ordinary citizens and divert it to precious metal refiners in an attempt to curb imports and take some heat off the plunging currency. Our recommendations, the technical calls for the day. We recommend buying IDEA above rupees 159 with the target price of rupees 170 with the stop loss placed at rupees 154. Derivative strategy for the day. Long SBIN September futures above rupees 1,495 for the target price of rupees 1,555 with stop loss placed at rupees 1,465. That's all for today. Thank you.